The Adventure of Wilbur in the Sea, told by Angelica Bohorquez. On a beautiful day in May, the family Doggy Dot is going to have a picnic day on the boat. But Wilbur Piggy is looking at the sea and dreaming that he would like to be in the sea. At this moment, Mrs. Olivia Doggy Dog says to him, "Would you like to join us for a picnic on the boat?" Wilbur said, "Of course. I have never been in the sea before. I am very excited." On the boat, Wilbur looks at the huge blue and green sea, and the dolphin waved to him. The captain offered Wilbur some scuba gear, and immediately he puts them on and goes into the sea. All kinds of fish, red, purple, yellow fish, and small and big fish, want to see Wilbur because they have never seen a pit. Mr. Tuna Fish says to him, "Who are you? What are you doing here?" "I am Wilbur Piggy. I want to know the sea and discover its beautiful and amazing wonders," says Wilbur. "You are welcome to the world of the sea," says Mr. Tiger Fish. Wilbur says, "Thank you so much. I am going to continue my travel." He sees a starfish, a seahorse, and 3 coral reefs. After that, Wilbur sees something fishy and terrible behind the rocks. He is Brutus Octopus, who is trapping a little baby, Nessie Lee. She cries, "Help me, help me." Wilbur begins to fight with the horrible Brutus Octopus. All seems messy. Suddenly, Wilbur hits the octopus head with his hammer, and he is knocked out. Nessie's mama, Nessie's Luck, is thankful and happy because her little baby has been saved, and then they play and laugh with all of the family in the Loch Ness Nessie Sea. Just then, Minerva Mermaid called to Wilbur, and she introduces him to her father, the king of the sea, Herman Merman, and her 3 sisters, Melanie, Tiffany, and Fanny Mermaid. King Herman says to him, "My Dora Minerva told me how you fought against Brutus and saved the baby Nessie Lee. You are a courageous warrior, and your act deserves a reward." Melanie, Tiffany, and Fanny Mermaid guide Wilbur to an old shipwreck where he discovered gold, silver, diamond, emerald, and many more. Wilbur picks up the treasure with his dolphin friends, and they come back to the boat. The dolphins say goodbye to Wilbur Piggy and then return to the sea. Wilbur shows the treasure to the family Doggy Dot, and they say, "Hot diggity dog." Now the family Doggy Dot has a nice house, and Wilbur Piggy is traveling to another lands, bringing a message of peace and supporting and helping people in difficulties.